How to make Opera GX look better. So if you want to make Opera GX look better, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your GX browser. After opening, now make sure that you're under your settings. You need to go with settings, which is here on the bottom left. And under your settings, as you can see that you will have the theme option. So you can go with the classic theme or ultraviolet theme, sub-zero theme, fruity theme, purple. You can also go with the arrow and you'll have a lot of more themes. So as you can see that you'll have all of these themes. You can simply select any theme that you're comfortable with. And after selecting your theme, then you can go with your light mode or dark mode or auto mode, any option that you're comfortable with. And you can go with the wallpapers. You can also change your wallpapers. You can go with GX wallpaper or custom wallpaper. And you will have the GX basics, which is the lights, the browser sounds, the keyboard sounds, and you can also change all of these sounds. So with these settings, you'll be able to change or make your Opera GX look better. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.